Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in and going straight to the repost itself. This saves time. Once on your profile, tap or click Reposts or find the reposted track on your timeline. Make sure it's the correct track or playlist by checking the artwork and artist name because removing a repost is immediate. If it's on a track page, look for the reposted indicator near the waveform. Now prepare to remove it. Next, unreposting is a single action. Click or tap the repost icon where it appears highlighted. On the web, the icon will change color when active. On mobile, it sits in the action bar. Click it once to toggle off. Once done, watch the icon revert to its unposted state and refresh the page if you don't see the change immediately. This ensures Soundcloud registered your action, make sure you're online, and that your session hasn't timed out. Finally, verify the repost is gone by refreshing or restarting the app. This clears temporary UI cache. If the repost still appears, log out and log back in, or clear the app cache and try again because sync delays sometimes cause stale displays. If problems persist, note the track ID and timestamp and contact SoundCloud support for account-level issues. One troubleshooting tip: check your internet connection and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.